Travel is not about exploring places outside, but more about exploring places inside. And I chose the place to explore in the Blue Mountains. Travel is the ideal place to test yourself, and it pushes the people to their limit and get them outside to their comfort zone. Pykara is the name of a village and a river which is 19 kilometers away from the Ooty town in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. And this Pykara river is considered to be very sacred by the Todas society. So who is this Toda people? This Toda people are a Dravidian ethnic group who lives in the Nilagiri mountains. Toda society and culture have been the focus of an international effort at culturally sensitive environmental restoration. The Toda lands are now a part of the Nilagiri Biosphere Reserves, a UNESCO designated international biosphere reserves. The territory is declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Pykara waterfalls amidst through the dense forest, which must be visited after the monsoon season so that the water level will be the optimal and the greenery at its best. During the rainy season, the waterfalls is the full bloom, and these falls can be reached by the little moderate walk for a half-kilometer on a well-laid path from the parking location. Also, they have an electric cart which take it to the down of the entrance gate of the waterfall. And the entry fee will be ₹10 for the person, and the timing is 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. The multiple layers of the rocky bed provides the unique beauty to the stream. Obviously, it is a must-visit place in Ooty, and don't miss it. like this video and don't forget to drop your comments and subscribe.